Hello, it's Dami from CJDropshipping. Today, I'm going to share a new service CJ can provide, which may do great help to your business. Guess what? Ta-da! We can do customized logo now. We have many clients who are running their own brands or want to set up business with their personalized logos. They want to put logos on the products they are selling. We all know the effects of brand. Consumers trust well-known trademarks. It brings additional values to your products. And what's more, as your business goes bigger, you have to let consumers know you and know your business, and then your business goes bigger and bigger. Whatever you ask for, we are trying our best to meet your requirements. CJ already has a customized package service, and now we can also do customized logo. You can have your total personalized products with your customized package and logo. It seems you have a factory to customize your own brands. You may ask, what's the minimum order? Come on, you do not need to worry about that. We can do with at least only one piece. And the charge is really reasonable, or rather really cheap. Lower than you can imagine, and you can consult your sales for the cost. Because we do it to help our clients to set up their own business, not for making money. Currently, we have two solutions for custom logos, color printing and laser engraving. Laser printing is suitable for almost every material: flat fabric, paper, plastic, glass, metal, etc. The printed logo can be in vivid colors, complex patterns, and the finished logo comes out with very high quality because we spend lots of money on the printing machine. And if you want to engrave the logo on wood or metal surface, you can choose laser engraving. It makes your products look more gorgeous, more expressive, and it is a perfect choice for personalized product. Customers can have their names or special patterns on the products, unique gift choice. Okay guys, want to learn more about customized logo service? Please go visit our website or consult your service support for further information. Thanks for watching. Bye!